to Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be creating a 4th of July card. So I'm going to create this card and it's very simple. You just cut all the pieces with the adhesive on the back and you put it together. So 4th of July is a big celebration. You also do barbecuing, fireworks, and we actually have a stamp set that goes with it. It's called Summer Fun. So it has the Happy 4th of July, it has the grilling and chilling, let's catch up, well done, light up the night, barbecue, and this is life is a picnic, and it has the flag with it as well. So that's the stamp set that goes with it. So with the barbecue set and the 4th of July set, but I'm using the 4th of July one today. So this is the set. So I want to explain. So the flag comes with the stars and the stripes. Then you have the fireworks. We have some extra stars. This is the firework as well, so you can decorate it with different pieces. And this is the top hat with the white, and this will be in blue. But of course the top hat you can use for a masculine card as well. So use it for other occasion. Fireworks you can use with any celebration. So just a fun set to use. And of course the US flag will be used a lot as well. And then these are the stitched hexagons that we're using. So in this set comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different dies. This is the stitched rectangle. And then I use the fitted rectangle as well. So they all work together. So let me tell you first, so what I did, I just chose the colors that I was going to use. You see, so the red, white and blue, and then the yellow and the orange. And I just put a double-sided adhesive on the back. And I die cut all the pieces with the double-sided adhesive on the back already. So let me start by stamping the Happy 4th of July sentiment first. And I'm using our white soft finish cardstock for that. So let's bring in the stamping platform. And especially, I tell it all the time, with the soft finish cardstock, it's especially important because it has a texture to it. So you want to make sure that you be able to stamp several times. And normally I add a little piece of adhesive as well, so the non-stick tape here, that I'm sure that it will stick in place, or stay in place I should say. I think I'm good there. Close the lid. I'm using the jet black Archival ink here. I'm just going to stamp it, and it could be like four times, it doesn't matter. So I'm just inking up the stamp here. And let me show you, let me bring it in. So just inking it. And then press it, and you will see now that you hardly see it. So if I just do it a few times more, so you can clearly see the texture now of that cardstock. So I'm just going back and forward a few times, and that's the ease with the platform, because it doesn't matter, because you can stamp as many times as you want. I like it like that, so you can still see a little bit of the texture, but I think I like that on the card. Take off my stamp, don't forget that, happens to me all the time. Put my platform away. And then I can start putting my card together. So what I have here, so I have an A2 size card, and then I have the stitched rectangle in the blue and the fitted rectangle in the white. And this was a fun card to make. Actually, I have to say, Josette designed this one. So, but since she's in Canada and can't be here all the time, so I use our 6mm double-sided adhesive here for this one. Try to center it nicely. I'm going to do the same with the white. So the white is the soft finish cardstock. So I'm putting the tape, I cut it with the smooth side down, so you have the texture at the front of the card. So this one, so this is the fitted one, it will fit perfectly in the stitched line, which is nice. And then I'm going to add the hexagons. I love those hexagons. I'm playing with those all the time now, because you can kind of puzzle them together, cut them out of different materials. So I'm going a little bit over here. And I put the double-sided adhesive on the back of this one already before we taped. So I just line it up on the side here. And the third one, and then we're going to add the Happy 4th of July. It just gives us a nice playful look. And the 4th of July, because this is raised a little bit already, I'm going to put some double-sided adhesive on, or 3D foam where it hits the card there. So just in the corner here. So it looks nice and even on the, let me see, so here, so I can still add some here on this side. Now, here on the top. So it overlaps that hexagon, and I don't want it to, like it needs to look nice and smooth, so that's why this needs to be raised a little bit. Because otherwise you see, here you go. And then I will put the stars on, you see, so this is all with the double-sided adhesive already on the back. And you can use either the rolls of the sheets for this. That's up to you. Or just let me see, it doesn't matter because it's fireworks. Then I'm going to put the top hat together. So I cut it out of the red and then the white and the blue. So you can line it up here. You can see the embossed lines here. So you line it up here and then it lines up here because there's another embossed line here. So it lines up perfectly at the top. And then the blue stars. And this can be a nice hat for St. Patrick's Day as well, like in green and yellow glitter. That will be beautiful. And this one I want to raise a little bit at the top. So this has the double-sided adhesive already on the back. But then I'm still going to add a little bit of 3D foam at the top there. So the hat will be raised a little bit. I'm going to do the same with the flag and one of the fireworks. There we go. So that's the top hat. So I'm going to add some stars. A smaller one. And then I'm going to put it aside for a second because the pole, like the flagpole, and the ends of the firework I'm going to ink. So this one I'm going to use the pumice stone, so I'm just going to kind of mask it off and ink it. There we go. And then for the flagpole I'm going to use the tea dye. Turn my paper around and I don't get, I need to get that little ball there over there. Here we go. Just, that's good. And then I'm going to build my flag. I'm doing these first. Oh no, sorry, I need to start with these. This one. So my stars. Going to line it up. Kind of go with the wave of the flag. And I have a little piece, two little pieces and one larger piece. The other way around. So that's my red, white and blue, and then the same with the fireworks. So you see I also cut it out of the blue and the red because I want the tops to be a different color, but of course that's, you can use it in any color you want, but in this case of course I wanted it red, white and blue. So I'm just going to trim off that top, and you can see clearly because there's an embossed line, so it's very easy to follow that, so it's very easy to trim off. And line it up. It's a very fun set to work with, I have to say. And I like the red, white and blue because being Dutch, we actually have red, white and blue in our flag. So now I have all that. And the flag, I'm going to do the same as with the high hat, you see. So you have the double-sided adhesive there. I'm just going to put a little bit of 3D here on this side. You see, so it kind of waves a little bit here on this side. And then this one goes down flat like that. And then the other one, I'm going to put some 3D foam on that one as well. It's nice. Just a little piece. There we go, and this one goes straight in here. There we go. How fun is that? That's it for today. Thank you for watching. And I've suggested a couple of videos I think you enjoy as well. And don't forget to download the free project sheet and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.